Hello. A rather wintry night out there. Some places seeing a little bit of snow, places that haven't seen much at all so far through the winter. As well as snow, there's the risk of some icy conditions as well. That goes through the night. And for Thursday morning's rush hour also. Snow showers continuing across western Scotland and snow down to low levels here through the night. Could be icy here and across Northern Ireland and northwest England. And then in the south, we're looking at this wet weather moving in. Some heavy bursts of rain across the south coast. It will be rain in southern England, but as it hits the colder air across Wales, we could start to see a little more snow through the early hours. It's going to be a cold night, whether you've got rain, sleet or snow, or indeed clear skies, with a frost likely from the Midlands northwards in rural areas. That's why it could be really quite icy. So we have a snow and ice warning covering much of northern England, North Wales, Northern Ireland and western Scotland. We also have a snow warning in force through much of Thursday morning across parts of Wales, the Midlands into southeast England and East Anglia as well. Not expecting a huge amount of snow, but it could be falling through the morning rush hour. The snow showers will continue through the night and in the morning across western Scotland. Rain along the coast perhaps, but anywhere inland likely to see snow, and over the hills that snow continuing to build up. So some of the high routes here pretty unpleasant. Pretty unpleasant too over northern England, North Wales. A mixture of sleet and snow again down to relatively low levels, and a mixture across parts of the Midlands, East Anglia and maybe southeast England. We could see some snow here for a time down to low levels, not expected to stick around. And that wet weather will gradually pull away by around about lunchtime. And then the afternoon, much brighter with some sunshine, but there will be showers coming into the north and the west, blown along by a pretty brisk and chilly wind. Temperatures, again, single figures, 5, 6, 7 degrees Celsius. Add on that wind, and it's going to feel really quite fresh again, to say the least, and it'll certainly turn cold on Thursday evening. The showers do fade away, but it could still be quite icy with further flurries across western Scotland. Elsewhere, a frosty start to Friday, but generally dry and bright initially, but here comes more wet weather. Again, some snow over the Welsh mountains and the hills of northern England, but it's the rain this time we're concerned about. Again, falling onto soggy, saturated ground. This extra rain on Friday could cause some further flooding problems, so there are yellow warnings in force for that. Temperature-wise, well, temperatures on the rise, turning quite mild across the south on Friday, but not feeling all that pleasant with the wind and the rain, and feeling quite cold as the cloud and wet weather comes in across northern England by Friday afternoon. More wet and potentially windy weather to come at the weekend as well. Make sure you're staying up to date with the very latest from the Met Office. Keep up to date with those latest weather warnings through the app and through the website, and make sure you're following the Met Office on Twitter and Facebook.